Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be solving the second challenge from picoCTF. The name goes by log hunt. I already made a video in where I showed how can you solve this challenge in a very short time. In this video I'll be explaining why I did those and how this actually works for completely beginners. So if you are not a beginner, this video isn't for you. Go and check out the short video on our server seems to, before you start solving a CTF, as you know, we always should read the descriptions, as I said on the first video of mine. So the server description says our server seems to be leaking pieces of secret flag in logs. The parts are scattered and sometimes repeated. You can reconstruct the original. Can you reconstruct the original flag? Download the logs and figure out the full flag from the fragments. It has two hints. One is you can use Grep for filtering only matching line from the log, and second one says some long lines are duplicates, ignore extra occurrences. Okay, so what this description says us, it is asking us to find the flag from the log file right here, and the hint says we can use Grep to filter only the matching lines from the log because it has too many repeating lines and the flag is scattered. So basically logs files are like if you ever had played Minecraft, you will see you have something in your edit menu. Let me show you. Let's go for Prism Launcher. If you go on here, you will see you have this, and if you launch your Minecraft, the something goes like this. Okay, so this is the log of what is going on in the background to run this Java game in your PC. As you can see, it has plenty of line. Whatever you are doing in your Minecraft, it will show your actions right here. If I go for, let's say, if I go for my world, as you can see, it's rendering and it's working on my world. So if I just break a block, or okay, so if I just click to in the server, it gives a line here. You can read what it says. So I'll just save and quit, and as you can see, after quitting it showed me some other lines telling me what just happened behind the bar. So basically log file works like this, and it is working like a server. When you are playing on a public server, the admin also can see what are you doing in the world by just looking at this, just looking on this box. Okay, so we have a file that contains this kind of line. You know how messy this thing is, right? So we got to find our CTF from this kind of line. So I'll just close this and go for the log file to download it. It's named server. Let's see the name. It's server log. So we'll do a cat to read any kind of text files from your terminal. You can use cat. You can use other tools too, but I'll be using cat for my purposes. So I'll do a cat. It's like running something in a programming language. When you run something in programming language, you write like py python 3 and the file's name, okay, .py. so if something is like something contains like text extensions, you can use cat to read that in your terminal while using cat and tab. And as you can see, we have our server log, the full the server log. So in somewhere between these lines we have our flag. We need to find out the specific flag line. So how can you find out that? How can you find the specific line that contains the flag? It's not that hard because it's easy challenge. We'll go for the common strategy. When you are solving a problem, when you are going for a CTF flag, every CTF flag contains this part, pico. As you can see right here, it's picoCTF, and this flag part. Every CTF flag contains a part like this, so you can, most of the time, so you can use that to find out your flag. We will go for cat our file's name and use grep to filter out the specific lines that contains our flag part. To do that, I will type CTF. You got to type the exact word or exact line you want to filter out. So we'll go for CTF, and as you can see, we got lines that contains part of our CTF flag, CTF US3 underscore, and this starts with the info flag part. So we'll go for it, the flag part. Okay, I am hoping I can find out by just going for this flag part. Okay, let's search for flag part, and as you can see, it gave us right the lines that contains the flag part. Okay, so all the line that contains flag part have been filtered out, and as you can see, we have our flag in the lines that contains flag part. You'll just need to copy them right from here and paste them on this box. Okay, skills, and the last part, I guess this is the I guess this is the part we were searching for, and I will submit this. Why is this taking so long, man? Okay, so we solved the challenge. This is how you solve the second challenge of picoCTF. If you have any problem to understand my sayings, you can comment them below, and if you have any suggestions to improve my talking style or my explaining style, you can also say that in the comment section. Open to accept my improvement. Thank you, and I hope you find this video helping.